just gonna marinate the chicken and put into the air fryer. We're gonna start marinate. Very simple. This is maybe a short video now. Paprika and onion powder. It's been a while I've been using this, but they're quite strong, yeah. Yes. And salt and pepper. Oil. Can you see that? And we're just gonna mix everything up. Guys, yeah. 1 hour. I'm gonna put the chicken into the air fryer. That's the air fryer. Okay, so we're gonna redial into maybe 15, let's say 15 minutes, yeah, maybe it's 200, that's all right, let's say. Voila. Okay. That's nice. Nothing funny. Okay. Put another 15 minutes, same temperature. Okay. Well, I can tell the chicken look promising. Can you? Hey. It's been like what, 15, 20, 25 minutes now by now. So I think they are cooked, but I like my chicken to be a little bit dry, you know, a little bit like more cooked than this now. Thank you for watching, guys. If you didn't subscribe yet, consider to subscribe, and if you like the video, give me a thumbs up. All right, thank you, guys.